Hello, I'm Mark Chimes from Veracity Systems. This is a short demonstration showing how easy it is to update the WORKman database by using ActiveInc forms. I have a project details form open in WORKman, and we will see this project updated with data coming from an ActiveInc form sent from a remote location. You will have seen in our previous video how easy it was to complete a form and turn the handwriting into text. Once the form is sent back to base, the attached form and database are separated from the email and placed in a folder on your server. So I have here an example of the files that come back from the field placed in the received forms folder, which is pre-configured. WORKbench, which processes these files, normally runs in the background, just waiting for some files to be placed in this received files folder. WORKbench has a few parameters you may set to suit your particular circumstances, but they are all pretty straightforward. You'll see here that I've set a fairly low number here for processing frequency. Normally you would set this somewhere between 15 minutes and 60 minutes, depending on how often your field techs send forms back from customer sites. I've set this very low for the sake of this demonstration. I've opened Windows Explorer here so you can see when the files have been processed. Let's get started. It doesn't take very long at all for the files to be processed. Each different file type is handled in its own way, and the STF file is of course a SQL CE database file, compact edition, and there you see it's all done. We can now stop that processor. We will now go to WORKman. This is the original project. There were no timesheets, there were no pre-starts. We'll open up another copy, and I'll just move that to the right so we can see them both simultaneously. You can see that we have a timesheet and we have two pre-start forms, and you'll also notice that there's been an update to the accruing charges as well. We can pop in and have a look at all the details on the timesheet. We can even go and have a look at the form itself in our document management system if we wish to. The WORKbench automatically puts the PDF copy into the document manager, and the same with our pre-starts. And we know because there was an issue that was highlighted on the pre-start form, a job has been automatically created with a customer that is on credit hold, as it turns out. We have other videos in this series that demonstrate the improved functionality available from using ActiveInc and ActiveWORKman together to manage your mobile workforce and field service agents. Thank you for watching.